to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how McDonald's fries are made, step by step.
These are the fresh potatoes that will soon become McDonald's fries, carefully selected for quality and size. The potatoes are thoroughly washed to ensure McDonald's fries start with a clean and fresh base. Advanced systems sort potatoes by size to guarantee uniform McDonald's fries in every batch.
From here, the journey of McDonald's fries continues into precision cutting and processing.
Potatoes are precisely cut into the iconic shape of McDonald's fries for consistent texture and cooking. High-speed blades ensure every McDonald's fries piece is evenly cut for perfect results every time. Check the flow rate on the fry line, it's trending low. Adjusting the processing conditions now. We are back in the green. The fries are blanched and dried to prepare McDonald's fries for their signature taste and texture. After processing, McDonald's fries move efficiently through the system toward transformation and cooking.
McDonald's fries are partially fried to lock in flavor and create their signature golden texture.
Advanced robotics handle McDonald's fries with precision, ensuring consistent cooking and quality every time.
This is where McDonald's fries develop their iconic golden color and crispy outer layer. Excess oil is removed to keep McDonald's fries light, crispy, and perfectly balanced.
After frying, McDonald's fries are cooled to preserve quality before moving to packaging. McDonald's fries are quickly frozen and packaged to lock in freshness and flavor for delivery. Each pack of McDonald's fries is carefully measured to ensure consistent portion sizes every time. sealing and labeling ensure McDonald's fries stay fresh and fully traceable throughout distribution. Robotic systems organize McDonald's fries into bulk packaging for efficient storage and shipping. This advanced facility packages thousands of McDonald's fries every minute with incredible efficiency.
Looks like the calibration worked. Everything is passing.
Excellent. Maintain current speed.
Sample testing ensures McDonald's fries maintain their signature taste, texture, and appearance.
Keep the pace up. We have a big shipment today. Watch the seal on that last box. Quality check.
McDonald's fries are loaded into refrigerated trucks to keep them fresh during transport.
And that's how McDonald's fries are made. Arrayed, heighten, wise, from start to finish.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.